We'll start by going into a tabletop position while on your elbows and knees. Once you're in a tabletop position, you want to lock everything into place. Another way to think of this is pushing your shoulder blades apart. The modified plank engages and challenges muscles of your shoulder, abdominals, and pelvis. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders. Ensure your bum isn't too high in the air or that your hips are sagging too close to the ground. First, let's lock the neck and shoulders into place by pulling the nose and chin away from the ground into a chin tuck position while lightly pushing the chest away from the ground. Be sure that when you're tucking your chin, you keep your gaze fixated between your hands and avoid looking up. You also want to make sure that when you're pushing your shoulder blades apart, that you're not rounding your upper back. Go ahead and try this a few times. Pull your nose and chin away from the ground as you push your chest away from the ground. Once your neck and shoulders are locked in place, you're going to slightly tuck your tail and squeeze your bum together to lock your low back onto your pelvis. It's completely normal to feel tension through your shoulders while holding this position. When this happens, just relax a little bit through your shoulders and think about dropping your shoulders towards your low back.